The President has already pronounced publicly that it is not the intention of this administration to use national government administration officers or police officers to do politics. Taking cue from that pronouncement, which is as it should anyway, we, and I can say I, subject to the approval by this House, will refrain from interfering in any way whatsoever with the decision-making independence and operational independence of the police, but at the same time, I'll refrain from giving any instructions to the national government administration officers to facilitate the politics of any political party, including Kenya Kwanza, because that is against the Public Officer Ethics Act. It is also against the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Act. It is unethical for a member of the National Government Administration Office to support the activities or the political activities of a political party, and to use the instruments that are supposed to be used to protect citizens and their property to propagate the political activities of any political party. With regard to the issue of cultural hustling again, which has been repeated by the Honorable Kusing, one, there is need for enhanced capability. You remember in 1990,